If you're looking to monitor and control your IT devices, GoTo Resolve might be on your radar. This software is designed for remote support and device management, offering tools for technicians to access and control devices from afar. In this video, we'll explore exactly how to use GoTo Resolve to monitor and control your IT devices and assess whether it truly lives up to the hype. Stick around because by the end, I'll not only give you a better understanding of GoTo Resolve, but also reveal some alternatives that could do the job even better. First things first, GoTo Resolve allows you to quickly access a remote device, whether it's a computer, server, or any other IT device. Through a secure connection, technicians can gain control of the device without being physically present. This is a huge time saver, especially for IT teams managing multiple devices across different locations. The software's ease of use and responsive interface make connecting to a device simple and fast. However, while the connection is generally stable, it can sometimes be prone to lag depending on the network conditions, which can be frustrating when working on multiple tasks. Next thing to consider is monitoring. GoTo Resolve has real-time monitoring features that give you insights into device status, performance, and security. You can check for updates, run diagnostics, and make sure everything is functioning as it should. The issue here is that while the monitoring features are useful, they can feel a bit basic compared to more advanced competitors. For those of you who need in-depth reporting or more granular control, GoTo Resolve might not be quite as robust. The third thing is troubleshooting and support. With GoTo Resolve, you can take over devices to fix issues directly or even set up unattended remote sessions for later use. It's effective for routine tasks like software installation, patch management, or simply helping users with issues. However, for more complex troubleshooting, you may find the tools a bit limited. GoTo Resolve can't compete with specialized software that offers advanced analytics or deeper insights into system performance. The fourth thing worth noting is security. GoTo Resolve has built-in encryption to keep your data secure while accessing devices. While it's good for most use cases, it's not as comprehensive as other remote monitoring tools that have multi-layer security protocols. If security is a top priority, GoTo Resolve might feel like it's lacking some of the advanced features you'll find in other services designed specifically for enterprise use. Another thing to keep in mind is pricing. GoTo Resolve has multiple pricing tiers, but it can get expensive, especially if you're managing a large number of devices. While the software does offer a free trial, you might find that after the trial, the cost doesn't justify the limited features compared to other alternatives available. GoTo Resolve does have its perks, but for users who need a more customizable or feature-rich solution, you may want to explore other options. Now, here's where things get interesting. GoTo Resolve is certainly a contender, but if you're looking for an even better option, there are alternatives out there that offer a more complete experience. I'll be talking about those alternatives in just a minute, so stay tuned. In conclusion, GoTo Resolve offers some solid features for monitoring and controlling IT devices, but it does have its limitations, especially if you need something more robust or customizable. But here's the twist. Through the link in the description, you'll get exclusive access to GoTo Resolve's extended free trial. And I've got some alternatives that, in many cases, may actually be a better fit for your needs. These alternatives offer competitive features, sometimes more advanced than what GoTo Resolve can provide, and yes, they also come with their own free trials. Click through our link to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.